Welcome to Cooking World Studio. Today we are doing a simple, quick and delicious juice avocado with cherry topping. Contents for avocado juice: ice cubes, avocado, sugar, milk and milk powder. First, cut the avocado into half, remove the seed and scoop the pulp from the skin. Then make the avocado into small cubes and add it to jar. Next add 5 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Finally add 1 glass of milk. Subscribe to Cooking World channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. After the initial spin, add ice cubes along with half glass of water. And blend the mix thoroughly. Now your avocado juice is ready. Add cherry for topping and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to Cooking World channel.